What's up, my loves? I'm back again. I'm coming to you all so that I can show you how I flexi rod my hair and get beautiful body wave hair. So, you know, body wave is already just kind of wavy, but like to get that, like it's real wavy, as you can see, more wavier than it would be when you undo the bundles. So it has kind of like that effect of when it's just one bundle. So I'm just going to show you how I flexi rod my hair and get this result right here. I do have the back of my hair flexi rod already. I just got through filming this makeup look, so if you all are interested in seeing that, I will leave a description in the box below or a link up top or down here somewhere. But yeah, let's get into the video. So for those of you who don't know, I do have a quick weave video out. This hair is so thick, so luscious that honestly, I was like, should I take down all my flexi rods or should I take down 2 flexi rods? Because the hair is so thick, so luscious that you can't even tell that the back of my head is flexi rod. Like, it's just there. You see it. The only thing that I use on this hair is my wide tooth comb is the tool of choice, and my spray bottle filled with fabric softener and water. And you say fabric softener and water, this is a master mix blend, honey, and just like you would take care of your normal regular hair or your bundles, you will do the same thing with your master mix blend. And a master mix blend is synthetic hair mixed with human hair. So the brand that I have is Organique, but I have all of that information in my quick weave video, so make sure you check that out. I'm just going to do this quick little run through on how to get these beautiful bouncy waves. Of course, I start combing from the bottom and I work my way up. And I literally use, let's see, this is going to be 2, 4, 6 flexi rods. 6, boo. 6. So let's get started. So like I said, you want to start combing your hair from the bottom. If your hair is frizzy or if it's out of shape, as far as, I'm not really worried about the top, because since we're putting our hair up, we definitely don't have to be concerned with how this is looking. But you know, once you take it down, you want to make sure that you mold it down. Sometimes I put my Nairobi spray. Oh, I did not mean to pop like that. My Nairobi spray on the top, or I might rub just a hint of some type of what am I trying to say? Something like a holding spray. I don't spray it directly on there. I spray it with my concoction, and then I rub the product together in my hand and rub it over just to kind of tame the flyaways, because I don't want to put product in it. That's when your hair becomes stiff and you lose all of this body. You don't want to lose the body. You want to keep the body. You want this flow. You want to be able to treat it as if it was your hair that grew from your scalp. That's all I'm saying. And this hair will not disappoint you if you take care of it. I'm telling you, a lot of people said it's only good for a weekend. I've seen the reviews on this Organique hair, or Organic, however the brand goes. But the way that I look at it, if I'm going to take care of bundles that I put my dollars into, I'm definitely going to take care of a synthetic hair, because it's going to need that extra attention. So that's why mine looks so nice and luscious on week 2. I'm going for a month, y'all. I'm going for a month. I Flexi Rod it every night. If I don't go anywhere, they stay in Flexi Rods. I am that girl. So let's get to it. Excuse me if I just keep looking at myself, because honey, when I say I beat this face, I beat this face. A lot of people will say that it sheds a lot. I haven't. I'm combing it right now. I'm gonna show y'all. And I comb my whole head, and that's just how much I get. There's nothing in this comb. Nothing in this comb. It does not shed. You know why it does not shed? Because I take care of it. The only reason why your hair is going to shed is if you do not take care of it. Just like when you have your hair underneath the wigs and you don't comb it for a while, you just keep throwing wig and wig and wig and wig on, and then you take your cap off and you wonder why you got this bird's nest under there. You're not taking care of it. It needs to be conditioned. It needs to be washed. It needs to be combed. It has to be taken care of, shown a little bit of love, and that's what I do to it. That's what I do to it. So I mean, I'm just in love with the hair. Like, I know it'll probably still be good even at 1 month, but because it's glued in, you know, I'm still gonna have to take it out, and I won't be able to reuse it unless, you know. But it was only $20, so we ain't tripping on that, are we? The next one I'll make a wig out of. I'll make me a synthetic wig. So now that I see that I like the hair and I like long hair, we'll do a synthetic wig. You want to get your spray bottle. You want to spray your ends, because as you will notice when you start to comb your hair out, oh, it smells so good, y'all. When you comb your hair out, don't saturate your hair. Do not saturate your hair, because you don't want it to become stiff. It will become stiff if you overdo it. I don't spray my hair every day with the fabric softener mixture. Like, I don't. Comb it out. Get your Flexi Rod behind your hair. And I like to wrap mine before I start to roll. Excuse my nails, but I just been kind of plain Janing it lately. And you see I'm rolling slow just to ensure that I gather all the hair None of the hair is getting tangled. This piece right here is my closure piece, which sometimes you have to go back down and get that piece together. There we go. I'm just gonna wrap it and continue to tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. Just like that. Bring that side over closest to your temple and take the one back towards your ear. Boom. You have your Flexi Rod in. Now we'll just repeat the same thing on this side. We're going to spray it, rub it in, spray the top, rub it in, take the the comb, and comb it out. Look at those ends. You really wouldn't even be able to tell this was synthetic hair. I mean, it has human hair in it, but it had also, you know, it's the mix. So we're wrapping it around once again. Wrapping that around. And we're just gonna start rolling. Roll and tuck. And once again, we get up here to this closure because my closure is a 16-inch. If you have a longer closure, you won't have to worry about this. But we're just wrapping and tucking. Wrapping and tucking. All right. Take this one back towards the ear and this one towards the temple. And squeeze it together. And boom. You're all done. And that, my friends, is how I do my Flexi Rod set. I have 6 Flexi Rods in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what we're looking like. I hope my naps wasn't too bad back there. Anywho, this was just a quick video to show you how I achieve my Flexi Rod set. Also, I guess I could do a quick review of the hair while I'm on here. And I love the hair. It is what it is. A lot of people either hate it or they love it. And I particularly love the hair. So, do I recommend the hair? Yes, I do. Why do I recommend the hair? Several reasons. Reason number 1, it is budget friendly. It ranges anywhere from $20 to $30. So it's definitely budget friendly. You get a lot of hair for your money. And so you get 3 bundles. Some packs come with a closure included. Mine did not. So I bought the closure. I still ended up spending $30. So either way, I didn't lose. My closure by itself was $7.99. So $20.99 and $7.99. Come on, you do the math. After tax, you sitting at like $31. All together $40 if you still have to buy your wig caps, if you have to buy your glue or your liquid caps, all of that stuff. So you can go in there with $40 and boom, get you a whole hairdo. So that is one of the reasons why I say I recommend it. The other reason why I say I recommend it is because when you have bundles that you pay for and you're spending like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on bundles, you don't want to put bonding glue on your bundles. Don't do that. Don't put glue on your bundles, ladies. That's what the cheap hair for. That's what the cheap hair is for. The bonding glue, not your bundles. So it's good in that aspect. You get multiple inches. You can choose from a variety. You can go 14, 16, 18, or you can go 18, 20, 22, or you can go 24, 26, 28. And then I do believe they sell ponytails, single bundles with ponytail, just for a long ponytail, like a 30-some inch ponytail or a 40-inch ponytail. They do sell single bundles like that, and I think they're like $12 or something. So you just can't lose with this hair. The other reason why I say this is great hair is because of the quality. The quality is grade A for a blend. I know, because whenever I'm doing a quick weave, I use a premium blend or synthetic hair. I know how to take care of it. I know how to work with it. If you take care of your hair, you should take care of a synthetic wig or weave as well. So all in all, this is a great product. The hair is wonderful. If you take care of it, it will return the favor to you and give great results. As you can see, I do mine as if they're like $500 bundles or something, and I only paid $20 for them. So I'm winning. I'm getting the look that I want. I'm flawless with it, and I know how to take care of it. It's not hard to manage. If you sit there and curl and straighten your bundles, it won't be hard to just kind of comb your synthetic hair and Flexi Rod it. So those are my thoughts. I do highly recommend the brand Organique. I have not experienced a lot of shedding with this hair. The hair is so full, so natural looking, and I used the whole 28 bundle. I used the whole 26 bundle, and I only used a half of my 24 bundle, and of course I have in my 16-inch 2x6 closure. But if you want to see, like I said, how I did this quick weave, I will leave the information down below. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday once again, and I will see you all in the new year, if not before. Have a blessed one. Bye.